$20,000. That's the number that shocked the internet after Matt Armstrong's latest Bugatti service update. Not a rebuild, not a crashed engine replacement, not a catastrophic gearbox failure, a service. And once people heard that number, the entire conversation around Bugatti ownership changed instantly, because suddenly, viewers weren't just looking at the Chiron like a dream car anymore. They started looking at it like a financial time bomb. And honestly, that reaction makes sense. Most people already know Bugattis are expensive. That part isn't surprising. What shocked viewers was discovering just how deep the costs really go, even when nothing is technically broken. That's what makes Matt Armstrong's latest update so fascinating. Because hidden inside this simple service story is a much bigger reality about hypercar ownership that most people never see. The truth is, owning a Bugatti isn't just about buying the car. It's about surviving the maintenance. And after Matt revealed details surrounding the service costs, people online started realizing something terrifying. This car can drain insane amounts of money even when everything is working properly. That changes how viewers emotionally see the Chiron completely. Because for years, Bugatti represented the ultimate automotive fantasy: unlimited speed, unlimited luxury, unlimited engineering. But now, the internet is starting to see another side of the story. The side filled with invoices, procedures, hidden costs, and terrifying maintenance bills. And honestly, the craziest part is that Bugatti service procedures are already legendary inside the automotive world. These aren't normal cars. Even routine maintenance can involve specialized technicians, unique equipment, factory-approved procedures, and insanely strict standards. That's because Bugatti doesn't treat these cars like ordinary vehicles. They treat them like engineering masterpieces. Everything has to be perfect. Every fluid, every bolt, every temperature reading. Nothing is casual. And once Matt Armstrong started revealing the reality behind servicing a Chiron, viewers immediately understood why Bugatti ownership feels completely different from normal supercar ownership. This isn't just rich person expensive. This is another level entirely. And honestly, that's why the internet reacted so strongly to the $20,000 service figure, because it shattered the fantasy. People expect hypercars to cost money, but there's a huge difference between expensive and emotionally shocking. $20,000 for servicing crosses into shocking territory for most viewers. That's house money in some places. That's years of savings for some people. That's enough to buy entire cars. Yet in the Bugatti world, it becomes maintenance. And the deeper Matt went into the service details, the more uncomfortable the entire situation started feeling. Because viewers slowly realized something terrifying. The rebuild might actually be the easy part compared to ownership itself. Think about that for a second. Most people assumed getting the Chiron repaired was the impossible challenge. But now the internet is realizing the real battle may begin after the rebuild is finished. Keeping the car alive financially. That changes the emotional tone of the entire project. Because suddenly the question isn't just, can Matt rebuild a Bugatti? Now people are asking, can anybody realistically maintain one long term without bleeding money constantly? That's a brutal realization. And honestly, this latest update exposed something hypercar manufacturers rarely show publicly: the hidden cost of exclusivity. Because Bugatti doesn't simply sell performance. They sell access to one of the most elite automotive experiences on Earth. And exclusivity always comes with terrifying maintenance expectations. That's part of the psychology behind ultra-luxury brands. The high costs aren't accidental. They reinforce the idea that these cars exist in a completely different universe from ordinary vehicles. And after Matt Armstrong's latest service update, viewers finally got a glimpse into that universe, a very expensive glimpse. But here's where things get even more interesting. The internet isn't just shocked by the service bill itself. People are becoming emotionally fascinated by Matt's reaction to it. Because throughout this rebuild journey, viewers have watched him overcome massive problems repeatedly. Destroyed components, complicated electronics, extreme repair challenges. But this service update feels different. Because there's no dramatic crash to blame, no catastrophic failure, no insane accident, just ownership, and somehow that almost feels scarier. Because it means the financial pressure never truly ends with a Bugatti. Even after the rebuild succeeds, the costs keep coming. That realization hit viewers hard. And honestly, it changes the emotional atmosphere surrounding the Chiron completely. The car starts feeling less like a dream machine and more like a machine that constantly demands sacrifice to survive. That's why people online started calling Bugatti ownership a luxury trap. Not because the cars aren't incredible, they absolutely are, but because maintaining perfection at this level becomes financially terrifying. And Matt Armstrong's update made that reality feel real in a way most viewers had never seen before. Because usually these service costs stay hidden behind private dealerships and billionaire owners. Now millions of ordinary viewers are hearing the numbers directly. That's why the reactions exploded. People couldn't believe what they were hearing. And honestly, some viewers are now starting to look at Bugatti differently entirely. Not as untouchable engineering royalty, but as a brand built around impossible financial expectations. That's a huge shift in perception, especially for a company whose reputation depends heavily on exclusivity and perfection. And here's the scary part most people still haven't realized. The service costs viewers are hearing about now are happening before the rebuilt Chiron has even fully settled into long-term ownership. That means future maintenance could become even more stressful. Because once you own a hypercar at this level, every strange sound becomes terrifying. Every warning light feels expensive. Every service appointment feels dangerous to your bank account. That's mentally exhausting. And honestly, Matt Armstrong's latest update may have accidentally revealed the darkest truth about Bugatti ownership. The real fear isn't buying the car. The real fear starts after you own it. Because ownership means entering a financial ecosystem where normal logic no longer applies. And once viewers understood that, the rebuild story suddenly became even more addictive. Now, people aren't just watching for repair progress anymore. They're watching to see whether owning this Chiron becomes emotionally and financially sustainable at all. That's a completely different type of tension. And it's exactly why this latest update spread across the internet so quickly. Because deep down, people love seeing what happens behind the curtain of extreme luxury. The invoices, the pressure, the hidden reality manufacturers rarely discuss publicly. That's what Matt Armstrong accidentally exposed with this service update. The true cost of keeping perfection alive. And honestly, the internet may never look at Bugatti ownership the same way again.